We're at the beach, y'all. New Jersey. At the beach, not New Jersey Shore. Perth Amboy on the beach. Checking out the sailing boats. Greetings, Earthlings, Space Cadets, Freakazoid Misfits, all my creatures from around the world. Today, we are in Jersey, y'all. New Jersey, Perth Amboy, New Jersey. Gonna do a little walk around and check it out. So come along, we got plenty of space. Look at this. Anybody wanna go sailing? Alright, so here we are, Perth Amboy Pier. There used to be a ferry here that you'll be able to ride, and it'll take you over to Staten Island, which is right there. So right here, Perth Amboy, New Jersey, right there. Staten Island, Shaolin Island, y'all. Wu-Tang. So right here up above me is the Raritan Yacht Club, one of the oldest yacht clubs in the United States, most definitely New Jersey's oldest yacht club. It's gone through different changes. Right now, it's still a yacht club. They teach you how to sail and stuff, but I'll give you guys more info, but this is it right here.
Established in 1865, the Raritan Yacht Club is one of the oldest yacht clubs in the United States, and it's the second oldest right here in New Jersey, dating back to the pre- and post-Civil War years. During that time period, Perth Amboy became a resort with fine hotels that drew visitors for summer vacations from Newark, New Jersey and New York. The beautiful bay with deep clear water and great access to the ocean makes Perth Amboy a perfect site for boating enthusiasts. The original building and all its contents were destroyed by fire on December 22nd, 1915. Then, in 1916, the club purchased this property here on 160 Water Street, which was originally the home to Perth Amboy resident Thomas E. Cooper. The Cooper home is a waterfront brick Italianate-style mansion built in 1865. The lot measures 6,957 square feet and sits upon 98 acres with an estimated value of $1.5 million US. As of 2025, the yacht club is a members-only facility with dock slips, moorings, and a galley restaurant. The club also hosts regatas for members and offers sailing lesson programs for children, teens, adults during the sailing season, which is generally from mid-spring to mid-fall.
So I'm going to be doing some more videos here. It's very historic. Some of y'all might be surprised with how many firsts. This state was the first in a lot of things. So make sure you like, subscribe, ding the bell, all that good stuff. Stay in the loop of all the shenanigans. Make sure you see new places, meet new faces, and most importantly, always leave a space for love. Peace.